Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to make iced green tea. And I wouldn't be Shelly's Cuisine if I don't twist it. So I'm going to twist it with ginger, fresh ginger, and mint. So we start off with 1 cup of water. We're going to bring that to a boil. This is about a 2-inch bit of ginger. And I'm just going to put that in. This is 1/4 cup packed of mint. Okay. Guess the mint leaves don't want to come out. Okay, mint. All right. And so we want this to come to a boil. Then we're going to add our green tea and let it seep. So that's going to be very refreshing. Having the mint, the ginger, you know that goes very well with green tea, right? Yes. And summer's coming. Well, spring is here, but summer's coming soon. And so we need to have our juices and iced teas ready for the summer. Okay? So as this comes to a boil, so we're going to use more water, but for right now, to set this up, it's only 1 cup of water. And so once this comes to a boil, then we are going to add 6 green tea bags. Okay, so it's boiling, and I'm waiting, and I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. Anyway, green tea, I like Bigelow, so this is Bigelow green tea right here. And so once you put the tea bags in, you turn off the stove, and we are going to leave these tea bags with the ginger and mint to seep off the stove for 5 minutes. So, time to get our tea bags out. And you just want to get out that extra tea. Okay. Then we are going to add 1/2 cup of sugar to our little mixture. White sugar, guys. So we're kind of making this syrup. So we're just mixing it to get the sugar dissolved. Yep. And yep, all dissolved. And so now I am going to pour this mixture in my jug. I have ice. About, 1/4 cup, not 1/4 cup, 1/4 carafe of ice. Okay, so I'm just going to strain it because of course I don't want that to go in. And that's my green tea. Okay, I strained that. And then to finish, I add 3 cups of water to my mixture. Yeah. And if I had thought about it, I would have had some mint sprigs to drop in, but I didn't think about it. But it's okay, you can think about it at home. So, it's time for me to taste. Yes. This was really easy to make. Absolutely delicious, refreshing, and healthy. Anyway, thank you for making ice green tea with Shelly's Cuisine today. Twisters, don't forget to click on the notification button. New guys, new folks, subscribe. Hit the notification button, and you can hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under Shelly's Cuisine. And tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.